guess what time it is? It's time for a small shop haul. I have 2 unboxings for you. I just did an unboxing of some small shops, so I don't have a whole lot to unbox, but I have one package from my friend Lexi over at Lexi Sparkles, and then I have of course some cat-proof diamond trays. Excuse me. Let's open the tray from Lexi Sparkles first. Now, I know my custom trays are not in this. This is from her most recent release. So it should be just the one tray in here. I don't want to I don't want to flip it over on the other side because it has my address on it. And I think it has my invoice on this piece of paper. Yes. Okay. So let me see what my invoice has on here. It has some writing. She's just saying that she is working on my customs. So if you haven't shopped with Lexi yet, please, if you are able to, please do yourself the favor and shop with her because it is an experience. Now, I will show you what I mean by that. There are other people that do unboxings and they'll just show you like what they purchased, but they won't show you the actual like unboxing experience. Now, I want to show you the actual unboxing experience of receiving something from Lexi. Now, at first glance, I can already see some stuff in here that I did not order. And so for those that don't know, Lexi and I have become very good friends. So this does not come to a surprise to me that she would include something a little extra. But I'm going to just get right to the good stuff here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What is this? What is this fanciness? Sorry for the background noise. Megan is home from work and the dogs, they're rowdy when she's home. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is so fancy. Okay, we're going to open this in just a minute because I want to open the tray first and then we're going to open everything else. Oh my gosh. This is what I mean by an experience. Okay, she sent me some other kind of cover minder too. What? Girl. Okay. I saw this tray when she listed it on her Etsy page and I was like, okay, I want that color too. Sorry about the crinkling. There's glitter stars in there. And when she puts a sticker on there that says crafted with love, it surely is crafted with love. This color was called Plum Fairy, I think. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is not picking up. It is not picking up how sparkly. Maybe it is. I don't know. In camera. When I do like this, you can see how sparkly it is. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is amazing. I love it. Okay, so she messaged me. She was like, "Why did you order something?" She's like, "You can just tell me what you want." And I said, "Okay, first of all, I need to support my friend because that's not how we do things. We don't just tell each other, 'I want this,' and you give it to me. Like, that's not supporting." Oh my gosh. So I paid for this with my own monies. I want you all to know, just because we are really good friends, I do still pay her for the stuff. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. This is my new favorite until my customs come in, probably. Wow. It's beautiful. I think it's called, I'll have to look. Where's my invoice? Sugar Plum. It's called Sugar Plum. And I think this is part of the it's part of her what is it called, Lexi? It's not a custom. It's going to be part of like the ones that just the core collection, I think is what she's calling it. Yes. This is beautiful. So I told her, I was like, it was a color, a shade of purple, and I needed it. Oh, she sent me a pen. It is an actual pen. Yeah. And I like that the actual gem on the top is not super heavy. I like that. And then I got a little fidget popper. All right, now let's go to these minders and see what. This is cool. Oh, does it have like, I'm so confused. Does it have 3? Was it supposed to have 3 magnets, or did that come on accident, Lexi? Did I get an extra magnet on accident? This is really neat. I like this a lot. Ooh. Here's it close up. I like that. Okay, now I want to see what this is. It's like a little shaker. I've seen these. It is really fun. Okay, this one didn't come with a 3rd magnet, so I think that was just a mistake. Those magnets are very strong. Like, it moves, I think. Or am I just like tripping? This is so neat. I like this. This is really cool. I like that a lot. Okay, now let's see what's in the little goodie bag here. Oopsie. Oh my gosh. Actually, let's move the box out of the way here. Put this right here. Let's see what's in the goodie bag. So cute. Oh, yes. I'm hungry for some pizza. How adorable. Look at this tiny magnet. That's so cute. A freebie. Oh, we got some washi tape. Ooh. I like the ice cream cones with some gold foil. How pretty. And some more washi tape with little bears. How cute. Oh, and this hand cream is awesome. It actually is very, very soft. I like it a lot. Oh, nice. Dream me in the world. Some stickers. Clear stickers. Resin care on how to take care of your resin. And then she has a coupon code on here, which I'm not sharing unless you order. But yes, See what I mean? You get your little goodie bag. Oh my gosh, this tray is beautiful. But I'm telling you, it is worth it is an experience to open one of her packages. Okay, so now that you opened a package from Lexi with me, I got glitter all over the place. It's like having Lexi here. Let's open my cat proof trays. So if you are not new, then you know I have quickly fallen in love with cat proof trays. They send a card. It's got little kitties on it. It says thank you, and then the inside has stickers, and it will say thank you for your continued support. How cute. She must know that I have a calico or something, because I'm starting to get calico stickers and I love it. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. And a little black and white. It looks like my other cat. I love it. Okay, and put that to the side. Okay, so I have become quite smitten with ordering their rainbow trays. These are obviously their rainbow trays that I've gotten in the past. What I like about ordering these is I have no idea what I'm getting. I know that I like the colorways, so I don't feel like I'm going to be disappointed, because both of these I like a lot. And yeah, so let's see what I got this time. I'm hoping that it's different than those two, but we'll see. Okay, so here's my invoice. I'm going to keep it to the side because it has my address on it. I got my little goodie bag. Let's open that first. Comes with a squishy and a little cover minder. It's the tiniest cover minder ever. And a card that just says gravity works, but so do we. I'm gonna just put everything back in here because I will give those to my nephew. Okay, so I ordered 2 Lean Boys, which is the medium tray, and I ordered another kitten because I needed another kitten. And I got the Moon, let's see, it's called Moonrise Pink. It's a pink purple ombre. And it's this color. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. That colorway is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. And now, oh, I don't have these colorways in the... I don't have them. Okay, let's... Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at the bottom. Sorry about the barking. Look at... That is so pretty. And then here is my kitten. Oh my gosh. All right, let me show you my other kitten that I have. It reminds me of Sherbet ice cream. Doesn't it? I am really, really starting to love my collection of cat-proof trays. I'm gonna have to get them together for a family photo pretty soon. But that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this very colorful unboxing and sparkly unboxing. let me know if you have purchased from these two small shops. If not, I will have them linked down below in the description. And I have a code for you to use at Lexi Sparkles. It is PITTIES, and it will get you 10% off. You can use it. She has new releases on Saturdays, and you can also do a custom order as well. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me and opening my new items with me today, and I hope you will join me next time. Bye.